All right. Number 11, cherries, which we're going to use C, are $2.50 per pound, and mangoes, M, are $3 per pound. Joy bought a total of 7 pounds of cherries and mangoes for $20. Write a system of equations to represent the situation. Well, I'm going to think first about just the number of pounds of fruit she bought. She bought C pounds of cherries. She bought M pounds of mangoes, and together that's 7 pounds. Okay, so that's the first equation. Then we need to think about price. 250 times the number of pounds of cherries plus $3 times the number of pounds of mangoes equals the $20 that she spent on this fruit. So there is my system of equations. Okay, where was I? I don't know. All right, so here are our two equations for our system. And basically, we just need to figure out how to eliminate a variable. I think it's probably easiest for us to take this equation and rearrange it. I'm going to solve it for M. M is going to be 7 minus C. So I'm going to put all of this in here instead of putting the letter M. Okay, so 250 times C plus, I'm just going to drop the $0.003, 7 minus C equals 20. 2.5, it's really money, but I'm just dropping the 0 for right now. Plus 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times negative C is negative 3C equals 20 bucks. Minus 21. Minus 21. I get negative 1 over here. Negative 3 plus 250 is going to be a negative 0.5 C. Divide by negative 0.5, not C, but just negative 0.5. Negative 0.5. 1 divided by a half is 2. Okay? Dividing by a half is the same as multiplying by 2. And both of them are negative, so they cancel out. All right, so I bought, or whoever this person is, Joy, bought 2 pounds of cherries. She bought a total of 7 pounds of fruit, so she must have bought 5 pounds of mangoes because 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay? We can go and double check. We know that this equation is correct. 2 plus 5 is 7. C, 2 times 250, that's $5. 3 times 5 is 15. So 5 plus 15 is 20. That makes the equation true. Okay, so how many pounds of fruit did she buy? 5 pounds of mangoes, 2 pounds of cherries. All right, let's do number 12. Okay, so we're graphing the solutions to the system of inequalities. Y is less than or equal to 1. So remember, y is up here. This is 1. Y is less than or equal to 1. So first of all, I've got to draw the line. Okay. If I pick a point, I'm going to pick 0, 0. There is no x, so I just put in the y value. So is 0 less than 1? Yes. So lightly shade. I know that it's below the pink line. Okay, now I've got to do the other line. Y is less than or equal to 2x. All right, this has no y-intercept, or in other words, the y-intercept is 0. So I know I start here. And my slope is 2, up 2 and over 1, up 2 and over 1, or down 2 and over 1, down 2 and over 1. Both of these are solid lines because it says less than or equal to. All right, so let me do that line. And this time using 0, 0 as a test point is not going to be super helpful because my line does go through 0, 0. So this time, I don't know, let's do 3, 3 right here. 3 is less than 2 times 3. So is 3 less than 6? Yes. So since this made that equation true, we shade here. Okay. And I'm hoping that you can see that this in here is where the shading overlaps. So that is your set of ordered pairs that's a solution to this linear inequality, or a system of linear inequalities. Okay, so you just need to pick a point that's in here. Technically, because the line is solid here and here, you can pick something on this portion of the pink line or on this portion of the teal line, but anything in here will be a solution. Not a solution is anything else, anything in this area, or this area. Okay, because a solution, we've got to make both of those inequalities true. All right, so just pick something, and there's really not anything else to do.